Today I'm showing you how to get this awesome makeup look. It was the one I did on my 20th birthday with my watermelon themed party. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. I definitely need some sleep after seeing how big my bags are while watching this. Anyway, I'm taking Cover FX Blurring Primer all over my face. Now I'm taking NYX Total Control Mahogany, mixing it with the Rimmel Wake Me Up in soft beige, and mixing them together with Cover FX Mattifying Primer, and just using my finger to mix it together, putting the excess on my face, off my finger, and then I am continuing to blend all of that everywhere, under my eyebrows, under my nose, behind my ears, and all the way down my chest as well, because you want everything to match. Okay, now Maybelline concealer in 30 Honey. I put so much. Obviously you don't need this much because I was literally blending for days. But I'm putting that on my chin, in between my eyebrows as well. And I'm just blending with my finger because I don't use a brush for concealer. Do any of you just use your finger too? After it is blended, I'm taking Cover FX Translucent Light Perfect Setting Powder and just dabbing everywhere around my face just to set everything. And this Flawless Brow Trio, it's pretty handy. I've been using it for quite a while. The foundation always gets stuck on my eyebrows, so I always like to go over, and then I always brush it out because they're long as hell. I'm taking the Brightest Pink in the Blush Neutrals palette by BH Cosmetics, and I'm continuing to just pat over and over and over and over the Brightest Pink because we want it to pop like it's the inside of a watermelon. And I'm taking Supernova, drop the palette, in the color Phoenix. And we are going to rub this in our crease, and we're gonna bring it from the outer corner of the eye and just keep rubbing it towards the inner eye, and then just kind of bringing it around our whole eyelid to make it look like the rind of a watermelon, and then just smudging out the fine lines with our finger, and then we're gonna go back in again and just soften it all up. I haven't found my favorite eyeliner yet, so that's why I'm just using this Revlon one from the drugstore, but basically we're just lining our eyes, and this is the fun part. We are just gonna make little seeds, so basically kind of swipe it down. Don't make dots because it won't have the same effect. This honestly makes the look like a watermelon look. And then we are lining our top lash line and our lower lash line with black eyeliner, and then going back in with the Supernova palette again and taking Lyra. It looks like gray from this angle, but it is a very, very dark green. And we're lining our bottom lash line again and just mixing it in with the Phoenix green so it all blends together. And then taking Aurora. It's like the shiniest white ever, and we're putting that in the corner of our eye, and I'm dabbing it literally 4 times because I like to glow. Now you could use mascara and Lash Them Lashes. This is honestly my favorite drugstore mascara that I have ever found, and I love it so much. And then, of course, a little bronzer. This one's Mineral Fusions. It's called Luster, and it has a highlighter and a matte bronzer mixed in with it. I love it too as well. And then just a little blush, just the lightest pink on the same Blush Neutral palette by BH Cosmetics. Now we're taking Candy by BH Cosmetics. It's a waterproof eyeliner and actually works pretty well. I have to say, this MAC lipstick is called Snob, and it was actually my first ever MAC lipstick purchase. I can't believe I still have it. It's crazy. I think I bought it in like grade 7.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this look. It was just a fun makeup look, and maybe one day you'll try it if you decide to have a watermelon themed birthday. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like the content, and I'll see you guys on the next video.